Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jagpreet Singh, Director of MIO MD and I'm at Genius Hospital. Today here I'm going to give you the latest update about a session 2020. The first questions of the student that is it session 2020 open? Yes, the session 2020 is already open. The students who qualified, जो qualify हो चुके हैं 2019 और 18 में, they already are taking the admissions. Okay, so the how will be the classes? The second question of the students, the how will be the classes? The September, October the classes will be online as per our resources. देखो यार कोई भी कंट्री होती है ना, so they take decision कि इस month क्या situation रही, the like situation is under control or situation is out of control. So according to that they are going to take the decision that the classes or the flights will be open or the classes they are going to take online या offline. Okay, so definitely the students who is a 2020 students that is going to pay for the NEET, they have to qualify the NEET, then they are going to apply the admissions letter. Okay, so the embassy is going to open next month. If we are talking about your Ukraine की embassies हैं तो next month open हो जाएंगी. जैसे ही embassy open होगी तो they will start to give the visa. Okay, so about traveling I told you, so as soon as the flights will be open and the students can travel in Ukraine, so session कब तक ये extend होगा? The chances are to extend this session 2020 till December. So hope I clear you some points. Okay, so yesterday I got one call, so there was a long discussion which country is the best for study MBBS if you are taking any European countries. So one parents ask how is a Romania, how is a Bulgaria? Romania, Bulgaria is a European country. There's no any point. Definitely one important point, they are the costly. हाँ, हमारे 2008-2009 में काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स रोमानिया और बुल्गारिया में भी जाते थे, बट अभी का जो वहाँ का फीस स्ट्रक्चर्स है दैट इज़ अराउंड 7 to 8,000 euro, and if you are taking budget of a 1 year 10 to 15 lakh you are going to spend in countries में, चाहे रोमानिया, चाहे बुल्गारिया, चाहे लिथुआनिया है, if we compare the Ukraine. Okay, second point, definitely visa issues is there. Okay, if you are going to apply for the Romania, Bulgaria, and they are demanding around 85 to 90% students must have in a PCB. Okay, so chances are less to get the admissions, and plus second visa issues is there. Okay, so nowadays जो ये यूरोपियन कंट्रीज है, फॉर एग्जांपल रोमानिया, बुल्गारिया, वो ज़्यादा प्रेफर कर रही हैं यूरोपियन स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो सीट्स आर लेस. आज की डेट में जो फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन है फॉर स्टूडेंट्स इफ दे आर गोइंग टू चूज अ यूरोपियन कंट्री, दैट्स ए यूक्रेन. एवरीवन नो that's a hub of study, okay, hub of students, okay, and economically good, and if you are planning to take a PG residency program in Europe, so definitely I think Ukraine is the best. Because the reason is, okay, first of all, visa value is same like a Romania or Bulgaria, and visa value is far better than a China, Russia, or if you are taking Belarus, any country, or Georgia. Okay, and Ukraine, here we have a foreign language is English. Okay, in Ukraine or Ukrainian students, they are taking foreign language as a Germany, French, and definitely you can get good exposure, because if you are going to get if you are going to apply, like for example PG program in a Germany, you must to know the language. Okay, so अगर हम यूक्रेन की बात करें तो सेम लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड इकोनॉमिकली भी अच्छा है, और आपका बजट अराउंड 3 to 4 लाख आता है अगर हम यूनिवर्सिटी और हॉस्टल की फीस देखें. सो टोटल इज अराउंड 3 to 4 लाख, ओके, पर ईयर. डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट ईयर में आपका काफ़ी अच्छा बजट, ज़्यादा बजट होता है, बिकॉज यू हैव टू गेट द टिकट, यू हैव टू गेट द वीज़ा, एंड यू हैव टू ट्रैवल, एंड देयर आर ए लॉट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. ओके, जो मेन है कि यहाँ भी आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग MBBS फ्रॉम यूक्रेन यू कैन गो डायरेक्टली टू यूरोप और जर्मनी. वाई हेयर जर्मनी? ओके, बिकॉज नाउ डेज इज द फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशंस ऑफ ए डॉक्टर, स्पेशली इंडियन डॉक्टर्स. द रीजन इज जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मोर, and the salary is quite good, and plus number of PG seats is available more. Okay, so Ukraine में अगर आप डिग्री लेते हो तो you can easily move to Germany. हाँ, the most important point, ध्यान से सुनना, ये point जो है. So what is good standing certificate? Good standing certificate, it means that you are just a doctor in your country, either in other country. Okay, so this good standing certificate is, if you are going to move in other country, they are going to ask, ये वो पूछेंगे that you are a registered doctor in your country, there's no any legal issues on you, that you are working as a proper registered doctor. Okay, so there is a one phobia for the students that who willing to do MBBS in Ukraine. So there is a one exam CROC. Okay, देखो जो ये CROC exam है, that is just one exam that you can promote in the next session. So it's conducted in the third year में होता है कि last year में होता है. Okay, so there is a no phobia about CROC. Okay, this is a very easy exam. Okay, maximum they are going to give you 3,000 to 4,000 questions and maximum 60 to 70% this is a repeated exam. आपको वही क्वेश्चन पढ़ने हैं and you have to prepare the for exam. So हम हमेशा ही अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बोलते हैं try to concentrate on a competitive exam पे during your MBBS, चाहे आप सेकंड या थर्ड ईयर में हो, try to take material of a competitive exam, and the best material is available in the market, that is the USMLE. You know, the Kaplan notes, Kaplan videos is there. So if you are going to start your studies or competitive exam in your second third years, so that is going to keep boost your confidence. Either you are going to fail or either you are going to pass this exam, that doesn't matter. Okay, क्योंकि जो ये एग्ज़ाम है दैट यू आर एलिजिबल आफ्टर थर्ड ईयर के बाद आप एलिजिबल हो स्टेप 1 देने के लिए. अगर आप कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो इट्स वेरी इजी टू फॉर यू टू clear your MCI. Either you are planning to go to UK, you have to give the PLAB, or either you are going to move Australia AMC exam, either you are going to move USMLE or USA, so you have to pay for the USMLE exam. Okay, so definitely we are here always for the best guidance. We have a well qualified doctors team. They are keep guiding to our students. हमारे काफ़ी सारे students हैं, they are already preparing for the MCI or for the USMLE exam in them second third years. Okay, जैसे मैंने एक point discuss किया था. Okay, here I want to highlight. Okay, visa value of Ukraine. Visa value of Ukraine is a very good. You can easily travel to your European countries. Okay, as compared to others, for example, even it's China, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, far better level of education. Definitely level of education and the visa value is far better as compared to these countries. Okay, इसलिए आज की डेट में ये फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन है स्टूडेंट्स की एंड फेवरेट हब है यूक्रेन. द मोटिव ऑफ दिस वीडियो वाज कि हाँ सेशन ओपन हो चुका है. यस, 2020 सेशन इज ओपन. स्टूडेंट्स कैन अप्लाई हु आर ऑलरेडी, जिनका 2019 और 18 क्लियर है नीट का, वो दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर द एडमिशंस लेटर. ओके, एंड जो 2020 वाले हैं डेफिनेटली दे हैव टू पेयर द फॉर द नीट एग्जाम, देन दे कैन अप्लाई. सो गाइस, थैंक यू एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग आवर वीडियोस. हैव अ गुड डे.
Meet our director and WhatsApp, Dr. J.S. Kalong, for Best Government Medical University in abroad and co-founder of MedGenius Multi-Speciality Hospital and MyoMD Sun Education Group. Get experienced teams of doctors throughout your journey and guidance for MCI, NEXT, PG residency program in Germany after your MBBS and USMLE exam. Guidance only by qualified doctors team. Dear future doctors, you're going to get everything under one roof throughout your full journey. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest update for study MBBS abroad and bell icon for notifications. Thank you and have a nice day.